ABC Educational Channel.
Let's read a story. The Little Bird and the Big Tree. A little bird named Benny lived in a small tree. He loved singing every morning. One day he saw a big tree across the field. Benny wanted to see the big tree. He flew across the field to explore it. He was excited to see many green leaves and colorful flowers. Suddenly, Ben heard a small cry. A little rabbit was sitting under the tree. The rabbit looked sad and scared. Benny flew down and asked what happened. The rabbit said, "I cannot find my family." Benny decided to help the little rabbit. Benny and the rabbit walked around the meadow. They looked behind the flowers and bushes. They called, "Where are you?" Suddenly, Benny heard something behind the bush. He flew closer and listened carefully. "I heard a group of rabbits calling for their little rabbit." The little rabbit was very happy to see its family. The rabbit hugged its mother and father. Benny smiled because his new friend was safe. The rabbit's family thanked Benny for his help. They invited him to stay for lunch. Benny happily accepted their invitation. Benny spent the afternoon playing with the rabbits. They ran through the meadow and played together. Benny was happy to have new friends. Before Benny went home, he said goodbye to his new friends. He learned that helping others can bring wonderful friendships. Benny flew home happily as the sun began to set. Thanks for listening until our next story adventure. Goodbye, kids.